So, hi, hello. Good morning, students. So, in this video, let us see about the topic of cost accounting. In last video, we were seeing the concepts about the financial accounting. So, how the organizations, the members will follow the terms in terms of financial wise, like they have followed the basic financial statements at the end of the year, and also they have followed certain principle for a business success, and also taking the better decisions for making better productions, and also the retaining the customers, and also retaining the employees inside the organizations, and also there will be the risk for taking for every taking a single decisions. uh, so these are things, the basic concept we were discussing in the last video. So in this video today, we will discuss about, or we will seeing important things in this video, like about the cost accounting. So what is the cost accounting? What is the basically the financial accounting? This is like a cost accounting. Okay, so fine. So let us get into the video. The first, what what is a cost account? What is a cost? So what are the elements we have followed? We have seen, like inside the when we are making the cost sheet. So that will discuss, and also the things we'll discuss. Those are things we'll discuss in this video. Okay. The first point is the context of the business and accounting. Generally, the cost is a refers to, like, as a monetary values, the spend by organization to produce goods or service. I hope you understand the first point. The first point so will mean by, like, how a single person, how a group of people, or how a firm or a company or organization spend a single rupee for a production purpose. So that will be denoted or mean to mention in the book of cost sheet. So that is explained in the first point. The second point will be uh, comes to say, like, it encompasses all expenditures and then incurred in the process of acquiring resource. Like, if I am running a business, if I want to make like a clothes, or any kind of material, or any kind of stationery, which means would I, which I am spending like a single rupee for collecting resource or making resource, like, from persons or from stores or from any other countries, like, for my product, because I have to manufacture my product with the different styles, different tastes, and the customer preference. Okay, based on that, we would like to making it out in way, like, pandemically, like manufacturing the product. And the third point will come to say, like, understanding the cost, like, these are fundamental things for me, fixing the pricing, making budgets, controlling the cost, and then planning the financial position for future purposes. So cost sheet is a basic one. Without the cost measurement, cost control, we cannot making just like that, budgeting for for a company, for any kind, any form of things. The effective cost, the management, which is like helping them to for business to maximize the profit and also control the wastage. We should ensure the sustainable operation inside the organization. So what are the elements of cost? The first one will be the material cost. Second one is the direct. So under the direct materials, then second, the main heading is the labor cost. Third one will be the overhead cost. So the main three pillars will follow in different terms of, like, use different words, like it comes under, like, the followed different kind of like expenses over the under the three heads. So we will see now the next slide. Cost accounting definition is here. This is a branch of accounting. The focusing, like, the capturing the data and the recording the data and analyzing the cost which is associated with the organization and the producing goods for with organizations. It going to be helping them to measuring, interpreting, then reporting the data, so quarter wise or day wise, and also product wise, and also. It is the prime aim, which is like to helping the management in the aspect of making the budgeting, cost controlling, and also better decisions for improving our profitability. Okay. So next thing is the objective. So the main objective is first the cost control. Okay, every organization should follow the strategic plan with cost control determinations. How much spent to the product exactly, the reduction of wastage, and also the cost, the decision making. So we just we couldn't just completely just like cost it. We couldn't be proud of that. Okay, definitely ensuring any is there any cost wastage is that or production wastage is that, then like the over cost will be, we just control it. Okay, then based on that we will make better decisions. Then profitability analysis at the end of the year are required to rise. So okay, so these are things, basic concepts, and also we have followed every organization in day by day. The scope, when you have followed the before the things, like we here ensured and we get showed, it shows to me, like shows as the cost as a time out, allocations, how we are allocating the cost, control, reporting, the reduction strategy we have followed to controlling over the costs like the wastages, inventory valuations, the planning of profit. So difference is basic cost accounting, financial accounting, management accounting. These are the points we are discussed centrally. The focus, what should focus, what it should focus, who will be using this format of in organizations, the time limits when you have followed, when you have submitted proper reports, the scope, were things we have discussed in this video. So finally, I hope you all understand about the concept of cost accounting. So it's a fine. So let us all see in next video.